Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello guys, myself Vishal and my team members are Unmesh, Shubham, Rohit, and my project name is Python program to find the factor of the number, and we have completed this project under the guidance of Rishikesh Wagmare sir. The program is as you have to see on the screen. This is the very easy program to find the factorial of the any number. We can find the factorial of the any number easily. Now let us see how does it works. Now the program is completed, and let us check whether it is works or not. And see, this is work properly.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.